Hello, everybody. It's Tina. How are you? I hope you're good. I got my goodies I bought from Donna Dream times 3. So stoked because got this bagged up so nice. Okay. All right. Okay. So I bought one of her little rings. I'm going to turn this into a sunflower. I have a plan for that. Oh, she sent me some music. Oh, I did buy these. Yep, I did. I was like, oh, she sent me some music picture. Nope, I did buy these. I got Sing of Joy Hallelujah and Was the Night Before Christmas music books. I'm trying to remember. And I bought the bold color. Let's check this out. I'm so excited. Let's see this. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a lot here. So that's the pink, the yellow, and she has one of her cards, which is cool. And the green, and the purple, and the blue, and the orange. I'm loving it. So that is, I think, was called the bold color. The bold. It's a very pretty rainbow. And then I got the fall pack. And I have plans for this one. I have plans for all of it, but this one I bought specifically for 2 projects I'm going to be doing. So look at this green. It's like a light green. And then orange. Oh, that's pretty. And then we have like a brown tone. Sorry about my fingertips. I've been inking. I like a maroon. And I like a orange. Definitely fall. She does good on a color coding. And then a green. Ooh, it's going to look so good with what I got coming up. I'm going to put back in the package. So pretty, so pretty. Okay, it's not as neat as Donna had it. Alright, so let's see. These are the canvas tags I got. I like them. So cool. So you got some big ones, then you got some small ones, and then you got the string to go with them. That's cool. And then I got the leather ones as well. Got the leather, nice. Some smaller ones, and then like that size. That's cool. And a good stack of them. I don't even remember what she said. How many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, that's cool. Cool. And then look at these nice bags I'm gonna keep. And then I bought this cool material, and all I saw was, oh my god, these are big. Mixed media coming up. Wow, I didn't realize how big they were, Donna. Wow. I just like the design, and she said fat quarters. And I bought I bought 2, and then she had 2 left, and I took the last 2. Them are so cool. And it's like a canvas material. It's really strong and sturdy. So that's awesome. I forgot I bought the music. But I forgot. So I will have Donna Dream I can't talk. Donna Dream by ×3 description box or her channel in the description box. Go check out her channel because I know her and Jelly Bean do sales. I'm not sure on the sale dates, and I don't remember if it's on Donna's channel or Jelly Bean's, but I think she'll announce it. And if Donna sees that, she can put it in the description box or in comments below. And as you can see, her seam binding, I don't know what exactly you call it. I'm going to call it seam binding ribbon. It's gorgeous. I might have to pick me up a couple more of the colors she has. And the amount you get for the price was awesome, so that was cool. So, as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.